What's up, internet? My name is Kyle, and I normally make videos about cameras, tech, and all that good stuff, but today I'm going to talk to you guys about how much money I make on Amazon being a YouTuber. So last week, I made a video about how much money I make per month on YouTube through Google AdSense. And if you don't know what that is, that's basically how much money a YouTuber gets for all the ads that run on their videos. I actually went over a bunch of that in that video. I will link it up here and also in the description if you want to check that out. And then this video right here will be the second video in a playlist all about making money online, being a creator, trying to go full-time being a creator, and all that stuff. Now, Google AdSense is pretty awesome. I mean, you can make videos and you can get paid directly through YouTube and Google. However, it's not a very stable form of income. It fluctuates highly, it depends on the month, it depends on a bunch of different things, and a lot of YouTubers or a lot of full-time creators can't rely solely on AdSense. So as a small creator who's trying to, make my way into hopefully being a creator full-time someday, I have to have other revenue streams. Something that a lot of creators who I watch, like Craig Adams or Peter McKinnon or Roberto Blake, the list goes on, talk about diversifying your revenue streams when being a creator online. Got YouTube AdSense, Amazon, sponsorships, even other stuff. And this video is just gonna cover Amazon and how much I make per month through Amazon. Okay, so before I jump into kind of what is Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program and how it works and how you can even sign up if you're a creator, I'm gonna just straight up tell you my first month, how much I made in my first month in the program, and then how much I made in the second month in the program, and then I'll tell you, other money totals later on in the video. So my first month in the Amazon Associates program, I made a whopping $1.16. So I didn't make much money at all. It's pretty sad to make just $1, but at the same time, I was so freaking stoked that I had set up this system to make money while I sleep. So yeah, okay, what's the big deal? I made $1.16. Who cares? Well, guess what? I was already willing to make videos about cameras and photography and stuff like that without the money aspect. And then I joined this program and I found out that I could make money talking about things that I love, and I made $1.16 just because I like this stuff. So then I celebrated that. I remember telling my girlfriend, I was like, oh my God, it worked. Somebody bought something and then Amazon paid me. What is this wizardry? I had 278 clicks on the links that I had put in my video descriptions, and I had six items ordered through those links. So because people purchase stuff through my links, Amazon was like, here, $1.16. Now, I know, trust me, I know it sounds like what the hell is he even making a video about, but trust me, it gets better. And let me tell you, as somebody who has been trying to figure out how I'm supposed to make money online, especially with all of the scams out there, the Lamborghini books guy.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills.
All those people just trying to sell you stuff, whereas like these videos, I'm just trying to tell you because I want you to know how to do this.
Knowledge.
So anyway, fast forward to the next month, April 2018, and shit just hit the fan. I made $295.14 off of 7,927 clicks on the links, and 220 items were ordered through going through my links to Amazon, and Amazon was like, yo, here's $295.14. I mean, I just made camera videos. That's all I do. And money just showed up. Now, I've always made videos. I've made videos for years. I had a different YouTube channel. I can tell you the whole story in another video. But in 2018, I was like, I'm gonna do this camera thing. Then the creators I was watching were talking about how they monetize their information that they provide. I was like, let's give it a shot. And it's been working, and it's been working really well. And I want to continue to have it work well for me. And again, I want to tell as many people about how to do this as possible. Let me just explain how the program works and how you can get in it if you want. So all you need is a YouTube channel, a blog, a website, anything like that where you can put in a URL and tell Amazon, hey, this is my thing. I own this thing, it's my thing. And they go, okay, well, how do you get people there? What are people interested in? You know, whether it's tech or cameras or hiking or whatever it is. And then I'm sure there's some type of review process. I don't even know if it matters how much traffic gets to your place anymore, and they just basically accept you. I shouldn't say that. They probably do reject some people based off of like, that might not be a website they own, but a YouTube channel is fully accepted now. You just give them your URL and you're good to go. Approval was pretty quick, I think, if I remember correctly, and then you're off putting links out in the world and hoping people click on them. You look up a product on Amazon. I mean, for me personally, I talk about cameras like the Sony a6000. You click on a thing in a toolbar within Amazon to get the link that you will use in your video description, put it down there, and you just wait. Okay, there's a little more than just like waiting. It's not like fishing, but what you probably should do though is you should provide value, either reviews about whatever items that you like or whatever items that you hate. Doesn't matter. Just provide value about the things that you're going to link in your description. So then there's two parts to it. Is when you put the link in the description, if somebody clicks on it and they go and they buy it, when that item ships is when you will get paid for that commission. For cameras and tech stuff, it is about 4%. There are higher percents that Amazon pays out, but it's like patio furniture and stuff like that. So let's say, you know, the Sony a6000 is, I think, like usually $550 on Amazon with the kit lens. So do the math, 4% of that is around 22 bucks. So every time someone gets an a6000 through one of my little links in the description, Amazon will pay me 22 bucks. Now, I think it kind of helps because like I love the camera. My girlfriend has one, I have one, some of my friends have them. It's a really awesome camera, and I make videos about how much I like it. So it would make sense for me to kind of start linking about the product so I can earn a little bit of money through Amazon. Now, the second part of the whole link thing, well, there's many parts to it, but these are the two main ones. The second part is that you, say, the person who is buying something through a link, doesn't have to buy that specific item that I've linked you to. All Amazon really cares about is if I am bringing people to their website to buy products. It doesn't have to be that product I linked. It could be anything. I think when I made that $1.16 or whatever it was in the first month, somebody bought like potato chip bag holders. Hold on, I have one. This thing right here, somebody bought some of those, and Amazon paid me for it. It was like cents. I think there had to have been a lot more items. Like I said, I think it was like 6 items in total, and then I got $1.16. But yeah, that was like the first thing somebody bought from one of my links. Yeah, it doesn't have to be related to what you're talking about. It's just kind of taking someone to the website, and then, you know, the customer does it from there. For me, it's important to kind of recommend things that I believe in, but you don't even have to buy the product that I am talking about or linking you to. And that's part of the beauty of this program. The real true beauty of this is that, well, besides you can make money when you sleep because people are buying things all over the place when I'm doing nothing, the other beautiful part about this is that it doesn't cost you or whoever is buying this stuff anything extra. This is literally kind of just a guerrilla kind of marketing for Amazon to make more money. It's, you know, they're kind of getting the benefit of my platform. You know, all of the people who watch my videos or are interested in the links that I'm talking about, you know, they get brought to their store. It's really a genius way to get people to their website to buy stuff. So enough about how it works and, you know, all of that stuff. I'm sure I can make a whole nother video about that, but let's talk about how much I make as a YouTube creator with around 20,000 subscribers, and my views vary a lot. Some of my videos have 100,000 plus views and some have like 1,000 or something like that, but you get it. I'm a small creator in my mind, at least. So right now, as it stands today, it's late July, I make about $400 per month through Amazon. And also, fun fact is you can be part of multiple countries all around the world Amazon Associate Program. So say for instance, I'm part of like Canada's Amazon Associates Program. So if you're in Canada, my link takes you to the Canadian Amazon. You can join all the associate programs for Amazon. You can join Canada, Spain, Italy, Japan, wherever there is a dedicated Amazon site. You can probably join their program and start making money through Amazon Associates. So now would be an amazing time to sign up for different countries' Amazon Associate programs because there's actually direct deposit. I don't think it's for all of them, but say for instance, I make money from Canadian Amazon, Canada's Amazon, and they pay me, it gets directly deposited into my bank account, where before I used to have to take checks to the bank, like Amazon Canada, Amazon Germany, and it says different things, and then the bank tellers would be like, dude, this is a scam, what's going on? I'd be like, don't worry, I'm a YouTuber. But anyway, it's a lot easier now. Stuff just shows up in my bank account, and it's a little wild sometimes. And I am super grateful. Trust me, I am not bragging in any way, shape, or form. Yeah, I think it's super important for you, whoever else finds this video, finds the other video I made on YouTube money, and the other videos I'm going to make about making money online, that you can do it. I had 600 subscribers a year ago, and now I'm at 20,000 or almost at 20,000, and I'm making like a side income from YouTube and my passion, and that's the dream. I know people frown upon talking about money and stuff like that, and I don't believe in that shit. I believe in helping each other. I believe in creators being creative, and I don't want to work in an office for the rest of my life. So I'm hoping that this video has helped you. I hope I didn't ramble too much. And if you have any questions, like literally any questions, ask me in the comments, shoot me a DM, do all of the things. I will try my best to help you out. I will link down in the description how you sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. And no, that's not an affiliate link. I don't get paid telling you guys to sign up for that. However, all of the other links in the description I do earn money off of, and you have to have a disclaimer down there. So you guys have probably seen that a million times by now. Hey, I make money off of these links in the description, but you get it. And yeah, I feel like that about wraps it up. It's kind of, you guys don't know what I'm feeling right now, but it's kind of surreal to make this video right now. You know, a year and a half ago, I was trying to find this type of video. So I hope I conveyed my message clearly. I hope you guys got the information that you were looking for. And like I said, if you didn't get the info that you needed, just ask me, just comment, do all of the things, and I will get back to you. Okay, I feel like I'm babbling at this point, so I'm gonna stop here. Thank you guys so much for your support over the past year and a half, and anybody who's been here before and anybody who will come after, thank you. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next episode. Later. One final thing, this is like the after credits thing. I will be making my next video about making money online, about sponsorships. If you guys haven't seen, I've been sponsored by Skillshare before. I'll talk about how much money was involved in that and different things. So yeah, keep an eye out for that soon, and keep an eye out for a lot more camera stuff. I got some stuff cooking, I promise.